Okay, read it. What is it? Baby bear. How to sign baby bear? Huh? Okay, read it. Baby bear, what do you see? Okay, lay down. Lay down na. Here. Okay, lay down now. Hold it. Okay. Baby bear. Baby bear, what do you see? I see a red fox looking at me. Red fox, what do you see? I see a flying squirrel looking at me. Flying squirrel, what do you see? I see a mountain goat digging on me. Mountain goat, what do you see? I see a blue heron. What is it? Hmm.